Today, we are going to learn about the idiom, a dime a dozen. This phrase means that something is very common and easy to find. It is used to describe things that are not rare or special. For example, apples are a dime a dozen at the grocery store because they are so common and easy to find. The origin of this idiom comes from the United States in the 19th century when things were much cheaper. Back then, a dime was worth a lot more than it is today, so if something was a dime a dozen, it meant that it was very cheap and not valuable. So next time you hear someone say that something is a dime a dozen, you will know that they are talking about something that is very common and not special.